Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Trian Raini, class management 22A, NPM 22411037. In this video, I will tell you about basis for organizational change. The first slide is about introduction to organizational change. Organizational change refers to a structured approach in transitioning an organization from its current state to a desired future state, and encompasses in strategy, structure, process, and culture, all of which are critical for the long-term sustainability of an organization. Change is inevitable in today's fast-paced business environment due to various internal and external pressures that organizations must adapt to in order to remain competitive. Companies that fail to embrace change risk stagnation, inefficiency, and even potential failure. The necessity for organizational change arises from multiple factors, including evolving market trends, technological advancement, regulatory requirements, and for workforce expectation. Proper change management ensures that transitions are smooth, disruptions are minimized, and employees are allied with new goals and strategies, and organizational ability to manage change effectively is often the key determinant of its success. When managed ethical and strategical change can lead to innovation, efficiency, and greater organizational resilience. The next slide is about internal and external driver of change. Internal factor. One of the most influential internal driver of change is leadership. Strong visionary leader can set the direction for transformation by inspiring employees, foster and culture to adaptability and making informed decisions. Additionally, corporate culture play a pivotal role in shaping an organizational response to change. A flexible and innovative culture encourages employees to embrace change rather than resist. Operational inefficiency often necessitates change with organizational when processes become outdated or ineffective. Restructuring may be required to improve productivity and streamline workflow. Similarly, employees' expectations are a significant internal factor that drive change. Today, workforce value professional growth, work-life balance, and technological integration. Organizations must adapt to these evolving expectations to retain top talent and maintain a motivated workforce. External factor. Several external influences also necessitate organizational change. Technological advancements such as artificial intelligence, automation, and cloud computing are transformative into the industry at an unprecedented pace. Organizations must continue innovate to remain relevant and competitive in a technology-driven landscape. Market competition is another external driver as companies must evolve to meet changes customer preference and difference themselves from competitor. Economic trend also impact organizational change. Economic downturn may force business to cut costs and structure, while periods of economic growth may lead to expansion and diversification. Additionally, regulatory and legal changes require organizations to comply with the new laws and industry standards. Adapting to this legal framework ensure that business operate ethical and avoid penalty or reputation damage. And the next slide is about model and approach to organizational change. To navigate change successfully, organizations often rely on established change management model that provides structured methodology for implementing transformation. Lewin Change model, one of the early and most widely recognized models in Lewin Change model, which consists of 3 stages. The first, unfreeze, preparing the organization for change by identifying the need for transformation and gaining support from stakeholders. 2. Change, implementing new strategies, structure, and process to achieve desired outcome. 3. Refresh, reinforcing and stability the change to ensure long-term success. Cater 3. X-step change model. John Keller model provides a more detailed Approach to organizational change, it involves 8 steps. First, establish a sense of urgency. 2, building a guiding coalition. 3, developing a vision. 4, change communication. For communicating the vision. 5, empowering employees for action. 6, generating short-term wins. 7, sustaining acceleration. And 8, according new approach in the corporate culture. The next slide is about conclusion, key takeaways. Successful organizational change is driven by a combination of internal and external factors. Leadership, corporate culture, and operational inefficiency often serves as internal catalysts, while technological advancement, market competition, economic shift, and regulatory change act as external drivers. Understanding these forces enable organizations to anticipate and respond to change proactively. Effective change management requires structured methodological to guide the transition model such as Lewin change model, eight-step change model, and the EDGAR. The EDGAR model provides strategic framework for implementing and sustaining change. When executed effectively, change can lead to enhanced efficiency, innovation, and long-term organizational growth. Ultimately, organizations must recognize that change is a constant in today's business world. Companies that embrace change strategically